In the corner of his backyard, hidden behind a wall of tall sunflowers, he discovered something extraordinary, a tiny glowing candy factory. It looked like a fairy tale scene, with twinkling lights and the sweet aroma of sugar swirling in the air. The factory buzzed with life, tiny candy creatures bustling around, each diligently working at their sugary craft. The candy creatures, only the size of a thumbtack, wore little hats and had the most delightful giggles. They were busy inventing the most fantastic flavors like rainbow raspberry, fizzy orange fudge, and even lavender lemon lollipops. Charlie's eyes widened with wonder as he watched them work. He crouched down, peering closely, feeling as if he had stumbled into a dream. The creatures waved at him kindly, recognizing the good-hearted boy he was. But sinister clouds approached their magical evening. Mr. Slurp, a greedy and mean businessman, had gotten wind of the secret candy haven. Known for his factory with boring old vanilla and plain chocolate, Mr. Slurp was determined to find the secret to the candy creature's success. He quickly huddled with the candy creatures, brainstorming a plan to thwart Mr. Slurp's evil scheme. The candy creatures, clever and full of mischief, came up with a sweet idea. They decided to use their newest flavor inventions as a trap. They knew Mr. Slurp couldn't resist anything sweet. The next night, as Mr. Slurp approached with a sinister grin, the candy creatures laid down a trail. The trail of giggly gumdrops and silly sprinkles led to a fake factory front they had constructed. As Mr. Slurp greedily followed the trail, the creatures led him into a big puddle of sticky syrup swamp. Mr. Slurp was stuck. Charlie laughed with joy as Mr. Slurp struggled, unable to free himself from the sticky mess. He realized that kindness, cleverness, and unity of heart could overpower even the strongest of greed. The candy creatures cheered and twinkled with delight, for the factory was safe once more. From that day on, Charlie became the official protector of the candy factory. Together with his sugary friends, they continued exploring the world of flavors and adventures every magical night. And as for Mr. Slurp, he learned that genuine magic comes from creativity, not theft. Mr. Slurp was forever banned from the world of wonderful flavors. And so, the candy factory shone brightly under the moonlight, secure in its hidden nook, awaiting the next curious soul to stumble upon its sweet secret.